A lot of you have been asking, what is V2L? And why are these only found on electric vehicles? Well, V2L stands for Vehicle to Load, and it uses the EV's high voltage battery to power devices when you're away from home, like power tools, camping equipment, or electronics. Now for IONIQ 5, V2L comes standard on our XRT and Limited trims. And in fact, you're gonna get it in two different places. The exterior charging port, which requires a V2L accessory adapter, and underneath the rear seats, which doesn't require an adapter, just plug right in. The two-way 120 volt onboard power outlet is highly convenient because it allows you to power all kinds of devices just like you would at home. It can transform your IONIQ 5 into a mobile office by plugging in a laptop, a tailgating vehicle by powering up a TV and refrigerator, a camping site with electric grill, lighting, and inflating air mattress, a DIY partner by powering up outdoor electric tools, or whatever else you may need. Now with V2L, IONIQ 5 can also help during temporary power outages by helping to power the home or essential appliances like a refrigerator. So that's it, V2L in a nutshell. And it's just one more thing that makes the 2025 IONIQ 5 such a game changer.